Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a file in Google Slides in 2026. Whether it's an image, PDF, or PowerPoint, you'll be able to get it into your slides quickly. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to slides.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Yeah, make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, open the presentation where you want to upload your file. You can pick an existing presentation or start a new one, whatever works for you. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top. Here you can choose different file types like images, videos, or even entire slides from another presentation. Now, select Image or Slides from Drive depending on your file. Click Upload from Computer, browse your folders, and pick the file you want. It'll upload instantly and you'll see it added right into your slides. After the file appears, you can resize it, move it around, or adjust formatting. It's all drag and drop. Super simple, And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file into Google Slides in 2026. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching.